topic half wave dipole antenna. Typically, dipole antenna is formatted in two quarter wavelength conductor and semiconductor placed back to back. The total length of the L equal lambda by 2. Okay, a standing wave of the element length of approximately lambda by 4 L's. They generate the voltage differential as one end of the element each at a node will to other is at the antinode of the wave. The larger of the differential voltage, they generate the current between the elements. Okay, so in half wave dipole antenna we have to generate length means L is called lambda by 2. This length of the antenna, the length of the antennas. So see that guys, this is the length of the antenna. So this length of the antennas, okay, these antenna half wave antennas is totally iz dash equal I naught sin k L by 2 z dash. One is the positive value, one is the negative value. The positive value minus L by 2 to 0, negative value 0 to L by 2. Okay, this L by 2 value plus positive to negative value distribution assume the current in two end of the point z dash equal plus or minus L by 2. Next one, the plot current distribution showing the figure 3.7. Okay, so is the 3.7 current distributions enter the dipole antenna. These dipole antenna in current distributions, okay, see that I equal I naught cos k theta k naught z dash minus lambda by 4 less than or equal z dash lambda by 4 z naught by 4. That means plus negative to positive value. That is the current distribution. Current distribution means half wave dipole. Half dipole means lambda by 4. So these four antennas, half wave dipole and field approximations in half wave dipoles. Okay, see that these two antennas, okay, these are total x y two axis, x y z axis, z and x axis in middle one lambda by 4. Okay, that is the theta value minus lambda naught by 4 plus lambda naught by 4. This radiation of the or length is the L. Okay, at the same time we have to divide it into lambda by 4 to lambda by 4. Okay, the half wave dipole and for approximate. Okay, next see that dA equal a3 cap mu naught iz dash dz by 4 pi e power minus j k naught r by r. Okay, so next we have to divide a3 mu iz dz divided by e j k r into e power j k naught z dash cos theta. That means r value. Okay, r value r equal r minus z dash cos theta. It's a totally mathematical calculations of half generating wave antenna. We have to discuss in some classes for the each and every equations. Okay, see that guys is a simple equations. So then these simple equation, then how to calculate, how to value is getting to the radiation current distributions, half wave and monowave directions. Okay, this half wave generating and monowave direction is totally mathematical calculations. See that when we are it's occur to the half wave and monopole dipole antennas, to automatically we have to go for monopole means as a lambda by 4 values. Okay, see that guys, if you have to any doubts to contact please share the contact comments, no problem. If you want to if you have to any doubts, contact to me directly, no problem. Maximum we have to conducting some Zoom classes also, online classes. It may be conducting on Monday. Okay. Next, quarter wave monopole antennas. This quarter wave monopole antenna, half of the dipole antenna, is placed on the ground plane. The geometry such as the antenna showing the 3.9 figure. Quarter wave monopole, an equivalent of the half wave dipole. Okay, these half wave or monopole. హాఫ్ వేవ్లో ఇంకో హాఫ్ అనమాట మోనోపోల్ అంటే. ఓకే, హాఫ్ వేవ్లో ఇంకో హాఫ్ వేవ్, దట్ మీన్ స్మాల్ యాంటెనాస్. సో ఈ స్మాల్ యాంటెనాస్ బేస్ చేసుకొని క్వార్టర్ వేవ్ మోనోపోల్ యాంటెనాస్ అఫ్టైన్ యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ ద వెహికల్ మౌంటెడ్ ఆఫ్ ద యాంటెనాస్ in vehicle providing a required to the ground plane for the antenna. For quarter wave antennas mounted by the earth, the poor connectivity of the soil result in expensive and power loss from the induced amount of the soil. ఓకే, సో దీనికి కూడా సమ్ క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ ఎఫెక్టివ్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ ది యాంటెనాకి కూడా ఎఫెక్టివ్ లెంత్ ఎల్ఈ ఈక్వల్ టు ఓపెన్ సర్క్యూట్ వోల్టేజ్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఫీల్డ్ స్ట్రెంత్. At the same time, LE equal V by E. The including voltage V also depends upon the effective apertures. A equal V2 RL by RA plus RL2 plus XA plus XL2 into P. Okay, RL means load resistance, RA means antenna resistance, XL means load resistance, XA means antenna resistance, P is the pointing vectors, V2 is the AE RA RL into 2, XA into by RL, P equal E2 by Z, where Z is the intrinsic impedance 120 pi. Okay, V2 is equal some equations. Though the state of the reciprocity theorem of the antenna prove that the self impedance of the antennas in transmitting and receiving antenna are the same, the reciprocity theorems of the statements. Okay, the reciprocity theorems discussing on tomorrow, no problem. Each and everything I have to explain. Okay guys.